back to my channel. My name is Jayla.
And I'm JoJo.
This is my little sister. My baby's over at WowAfrican sent us some hair. And I got 360. My head is big though, y'all. And she got some Ciara inspired hair that she can't wait to straighten. JoJo, see, the issue here is you're pregnant. You're gonna have to bleach my knots. Don't mess it up.
Actually, I bleached my knots better than you last time we did this.
Okay.
So let's get
since you so confident,
I am.
smell them.
You're playing. I'm not taking no chances.
JoJo, I wouldn't tell you to smell them if they didn't.
Yes, you would.
Smell a damn paw now.
We want to get this shit sorted. Alright. Okay. That didn't tell me anything that I needed to know. I don't think I'm gonna do it right.
Why you doubting yourself?
Cause
Go ahead, no.
Where's my comb at?
Since your bleaching came out way better than mine.
Okay, first of all.
Come on.
It don't smell like nothing until you mix these hoes together.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Why you mixing it with that part?
I don't know. I'm a chemist.
Boy, if you don't get your goddamn. Okay, so what's going on here, JoJo? What kind of consistency are you getting it to?
I'm trying to get it to like a not too thin but not too thick type of consistency.
I hate when people say that. What the hell does that mean?
Okay.
Don't mess my wig up, JoJo.
This shit is strong.
I don't smell nothing.
Stay the hell over there. It's not liquid enough. We're about
Oh, you ready?
I think we're ready.
Okay. Go ahead. You was about to do it.
You watching me like I'm gonna lay this down. I'm gonna just dab lightly because I don't want to bleach the hairs. Just gonna bleach the knot.
How's everything going?
It's going great.
Okay.
I think. I hope.
You want me to get you some foil?
Please. I'm scared.
Hey, Mom! What you doing, girl?
First of all, where'd she come from?
Mom popped up on us.
Man, what about 50? You can tell me how to do it.
Just do like 10 minutes and then check.
Jayla, why can't you do this?
I can't. I'm not allowed.
Jayla, I'm over here having a panic attack. Why is her perimeter so damn big? Oh my god. Jayla, I'm sorry. When you see this, I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
Okay, y'all. We gonna see y'all back when
our lives are not in wrecks.
So mine is sort of kind of pre-plucked a little bit. And then JoJo's isn't pre-plucked at all, but JoJo's knots bleached better than mine did. I'm really, really
I had to
thick.
bleach her hair twice.
Twice.
And it's still not all the way bleached.
These are the hairlines before, and we're gonna do some plucking, a lot of plucking. But I don't think we're gonna film this part because it's gonna be hard for us to
Do it at the same time.
yeah, and like record it, so. Cute.
Dumb on me. Let me see. No. It's just the rest of my face not on, is that it?
They're just real straight.
Yeah.
Y'all get into these edges though. Aren't they cute? I did mine with very minimal plucking.
Whereas
JoJo had to pluck a lot of hers.
I had to go to town.
She did, but. Let me get the back, JoJo. I gotta sew the elastic band on mine. JoJo, I can't believe that you don't know what that is. That used to come on early in the morning right before we went to school.
What is it?
That commercial is breakfast time.
Playhouse Disney type breakfast time?
Your muffin cap, your scalp peeling back.
My scalp?
I can move you, I can pull your scalp back here. Oh Lord.
Oh wait, cause it's too big.
I can't believe I was sitting there contemplating if you needed capsize 1 or 2, and definitely need a 1. You needed a 0.
The capsize doing.
Yeah, fucking capsize cashew.
So you just cut my head like that.
Your head is definitely shaped like a cashew.
Which is better, pizza or Domino's? Domino's. I like Domino's too. I got a really small head.
I know you make me look like a fucking ogre.
That shit's small.
You make me look like an ogre, JoJo. Okay, first of all, we're back. Good morning. New day. Y'all, the packaging is so cute. I feel like this is great for wig storage now. better than just throwing my wigs in a basket somewhere. Now time to put it on. JoJo wig, I feel like I like JoJo wig better than my wig. JoJo, we got no tools.
Comb?
Oh, where my comb? What tools?
Where you put my comb?
Oh, I threw them.
How, Jayla?
You want to slay my edges and I slay yours?
I'm bad at edges.
Oh, so you think you gonna mess me up? Well, I ain't got that many, so.
Like, real bad. Even with a little tiny bit.
We sewed elastic bands into these because JoJo's little teeny head needed them and my big head needed them. I needed because my head too big, she needed because her hair too small.
My forehead like 2 seconds long.
I should just put 2 ponytails right here, to be honest with you, since it want to do that.
I can't take you serious.
The top of my wig looked like a box spring.
A mattress on top of it.
Oh, this is so much hair, so thick.
Maybe it was like meant to super pluck. I mean, it looked like your old real hair, so.
Here, let me do your edges.
My edges smidges slim and sure. It's weight in the back because my braid's tight.
Oh, this height. You gonna scare him with them black ass eyebrows. What you
Why
say?
you gotta do that? Sorry. Why my eyebrows can't be dark in peace? He can't even see me.
He gonna be able to see you. Then he gonna say, "Are those nipples?" They gonna stay so black. He gonna say, "Are those
nipples?"
Yeah, cause you know babies like when they come out, that's why my nipples get darker, so that he can see it.
Easy target.
Yeah, so he can see it.
You see the baby gonna suck on my eyebrow.
Yep. Is there nipples, mom? I'm gonna suck right on your brow bone.
I can't stand you.
Okay, go ahead and do mine.
I told you I suck, Jay, but I'm not playing.
What was sucking?
When I tell you I suck.
Fine, I'm mom.
This is what I got you doing for me yesterday.
Oh, now I got makeup in my wig.
Great.
Thanks to you.
I got some foam wrap lotion. Get rid of these flowers.
She gonna get rid of her flowers. And I gotta get rid of this box spring thing going on up here.
Why do you keep calling it a box?
It feels like a box spring to me. It's so thick. Like I thought I wanted, like, beware, okay? When you buy a wig with this much density.
Where'd my comb go?
Here, use this one.
I didn't want to get it wet.
Oh, it's okay. For the first time in WowAfrican wig history, I like JoJo's wig better than mine. I'm finna put this behind my ear and call it a day.
In my part.
Oh, that crooked part gonna have to flourish up there.
Flourish and nourish. No, like, was my head twisted? That's what I was saying.
Oh, I always feel like tucking my hair behind my ears looks better, especially on my fat face. My baby has my face so fat.
I think we always have fat faces.
You right. But no, it's worse with him. What do you think?
I like it.
Me too.
Like, your hair supernatural.
Yeah, and you look like
you in 8th grade.
No, you look like Beyonce.
Beyonce?
Yeah.
Ooh, what was that? Oh, he going crazy.
Let me insert y'all the clothes that WowAfrican got him too, y'all. They've been so sweet to me this entire pregnancy. They got him some cute little clothes. Are you done?
I think so, yeah.
We need to like start serving the face.
Get this ass.
Pause.
I'm Pinhead Larry.
My ears look like this. My ears look like side view mirrors. I hate that. You Pinhead Larry and I look like a car. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
WowAfrican is having a sale.
So yeah, WowAfrican is having a sale right now. So if you guys enjoyed watching me and my sister slay these wigs, and she did a great job bleaching my knots, by the way.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Like this video for some more. There's smoke outside of my house.
I like that.
So yeah, if you guys enjoy these type of videos where me and my sister slay these wigs together, liked it, subscribed it. Oh, like damn, I have to cut it off. Liked it, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Y'all go follow JoJo on Instagram. Bye y'all. JoJo, come say bye.
Stupid.